stand up and in memory of those Jewish people, the Jewish quarter, the Jewish synagogue, we made our last song. But I will ask you to help us, okay? So you can clap with us when we say. You have to organize it. Because my hand will be with the pandero. So when Sergio does with the foot like this, so everyone clapping, okay? And the song. Okay. Well, the song also in Ladino, and it's talking about the lady in the medieval times. The women, to be nice, should be white skin, not dark skin. To be morena, brown, was not a good thing, okay? But this is a lady that says, although I'm brown, because the sun made my skin to be brown, I'm nice, and the sailors call me, and maybe I will go with them, and if the son of the king call me, I will go with him. Remember, the Jewish people always by the king, always were near the court, because they were the supporters of the kings, okay?